This is my first time doing an actual rooftop scene.
All right, so here we go. This is the behind the scenes look at my first ever parkour roof ascent. It was crazy. I was very excited to do it, and so I went to this location that day and I wasn't prepared to do this. I wasn't thinking I was gonna do this little rooftop scene, but it just kind of all happened. I don't really know how, it just all sort of worked. So you can see here I kind of scoped out the whole area. And now at this point I'm realizing like, oh my gosh, I'm up here, I'm doing this. So like I was committed. So now I'm filming the clips and this was awesome. Like I'm going, I'm moving the camera, I'm jumping off things, I'm landing, I'm rolling. I was so pumped, my adrenaline was like spiked. I can like already feel it, like already back just watching this video again. It makes me so excited. But what I like about watching this behind the scenes video is that it kind of gives you an idea of, you know, how much work it takes to film this little, I think, what was it, like a 58-second clip? Took a lot out of me. And the next week after, like, I was pretty sore from doing all this, I gotta say. I love that little look right there. That was a nice scene. And also, I really love the material that this roof was made out of. It was like this thick rubber, and it was wicked soft. So landing up there was actually really nice and comfortable. The only thing that was a bummer, you can see, like, look at my leg and look at my shoes and my arms. I am completely filthy. That black rubbery stuff rubbed off on everything and it got everywhere. I love this stuff. Don't you love it? All right, so here we go. So now this is me working the end of the line. So I go down. Now I have to come back up. I need to get the camera. I need to bring the camera back down, position it from below so I can get the shot looking up. So going back down, I had to put the camera in between my feet too. I had to climb down. So there's all these like little aspects of movement that go into this that you don't even realize that are gonna happen.
That was all with my feet.
I definitely got a little kick out of that. Oh, by the way, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, if you enjoy this content. All right, so now you can see here that I'm going up once again so I can film the end. I went up and down so many times, but this was the area that I actually started this little photo shoot or this little video shoot with. But once I got up there, I was like, wow, I'm on the roof. I might as well check out the rest of it. Like I said, it just happened.
I gotta finish.
I didn't want to.
I started with the end of the video. Now I have to go get the entry. But first I gotta finish this exit.
So there you go. Gotta go back up, come down. That was my final clip.
I left my keys up there.
Yeah, that's right. I left my keys up on the roof. So after I got that clip, I realized, I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't have my keys. And I knew I knew that they were somewhere up on the roof. So now at this point, I'm like, all right, I need to finish this video. And I also need to get my keys,
if I can't jump
which
up
are
here
up on the roof.
From this side, then everything that I filmed is kind of for nothing.
So originally I was thinking I was gonna get up from this area. I thought it would have been a cool shot, but I was a little too scared to commit to this little wall tack, I guess you would call it. I'm not really sure. If you are a professional parkour guy and you're actually watching this video, let me know what that's called. So then I scrapped that idea and I went to this angle, and this was my first try, got right up. And I gotta say, guys, I'm 38, all right? I'm almost 40 years old. This isn't what I do. It just makes me feel good. So I'm not trying to be like the best, but you know, I'm just trying to inspire people to move. And look at this. It ends on a good note. Peace.
I got my keys.